Bonn, a charming city in western Germany, offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and modernity that captivates visitors with its rich heritage and vibrant ambience. Nestled along the banks of the Rhine River, Bonn's status as a former capital of West Germany adds to its allure as a destination that seamlessly combines historical significance with contemporary attractions. Beethoven's birthplace, a cornerstone of Bonn's cultural legacy, pays homage to the renowned composer Ludwig van Beethoven. This museum offers a deep dive into his life and work, showcasing original manuscripts, musical instruments, and personal artifacts that provide insights into his creative genius. The Museum Mile, located along the Rhine Promenade, offers a cultural journey through time with its cluster of museums and galleries. From art and history to science and technology, institutions like the Kunstmuseum Bonn, Haus der Geschichte, and the Bundeskunsthalle provide diverse exhibitions and experiences. Bonn's picturesque old town, known as the Altstadt, is a delight to explore with its cobblestone streets, charming squares, and well-preserved medieval architecture. The Minster Cathedral, a stunning example of Romanesque architecture, and the historic Market Square are must-visit sites that reflect the city's medieval heritage. The Rhine River provides a scenic backdrop for leisurely walks and bike rides along the riverbanks. Boat tours along the Rhine offer a unique perspective of the city's landmarks and surrounding landscapes, showcasing the iconic cherry blossom trees that bloom in spring. The Poppelsdorf Palace and Botanical Gardens offer a serene escape, with their lush gardens, historic architecture, and an impressive collection of plants from around the world. The gardens are ideal for picnics, strolls, and relaxation. The Bonn International School for Science, known as the Bonn Science Mile, is an interactive science center that caters to visitors of all ages. Hands-on exhibits and interactive displays explore various scientific concepts, making learning engaging and fun. Bonn's lively dining scene reflects its cosmopolitan character, with a range of restaurants, cafes, and beer gardens offering both local German cuisine and international fare. The city's proximity to wine regions like the Ahr Valley ensures a rich selection of local wines to accompany meals. The Bonn Opera House, renowned for its excellent acoustics, hosts a variety of performances including opera, ballet, and classical music concerts, enriching the city's cultural landscape. Bonn is a city that wears its historical significance with pride while embracing modernity and innovation. Whether it's exploring cultural landmarks, indulging in culinary delights, enjoying the scenic riverside, or immersing in its vibrant cultural scene, Bonn invites travelers to embark on a journey that offers a harmonious blend of tradition and contemporary allure.